Here's how to properly hide or lock your WhatsApp chat. Go ahead and open WhatsApp. Once opened, you want to find the conversation you'd like to lock the chat. You can search in the search section for the profile, or you can scroll till you find the profile. Tap and hold down on the profile and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see lock chat. Tap on lock chat and tap on continue. Unlock with your device authentication and a lock chat will be created. You find the lock chat at the top of your chat. Now to hide the locked chat, tap on locked chat and unlock with your device authentication again. This will take you to your locked chat. Tap on the three dot at the top right corner on this page and you see chat lock settings. Tap on this. Now toggle on hide locked chat and you'll be taken to create a secret code. Since I already have this option set up, I'll tap on change secret code to show you how to create a secret code. Enter your preferred secret code and tap on next. Enter the same code again and then tap on done. And your locked chat will be hidden. Now when you go back to your home page, you will no longer see the locked chat at the top of your screen. To access your locked chat, simply tap on the search section and enter your secret code. After entering your secret code, you will see the locked chat option. Tap on this and this will take you to your locked chats. You can always undo any changes by simply tapping on the three dots and tap on chat lock settings. You can unhide locked chats in this section. And if you want to remove a participant from a locked chat, simply tap and hold down on the participant and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on unlock chat and then unlock with your mobile authenticator. They will be removed from the locked chat. You can do this for as many people you want to unlock from the locked chat. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful.